Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we will see how you can add a goal to your project. To do that, first, we need to add goals view in our project. Here, we have a project. To add goals view, simply click on the plus button, then type goal in the search bar, and click on add next to goal. As you can see, we've successfully added goals view in our project. Now, let's add a goal. You have the option to create a goal from scratch or add an existing goal. In this case, we'll add an existing goal. Simply click on Add Goal, and use the search bar to find a specific goal, or scroll down to select your goal, and then click on Add. As you can see, our goal has been added successfully. By clicking on the goal's name, you can view all the details related to that goal. And that's how you can easily add goals to your projects. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.